We're running a little late, so let's make this quick. I got good news, bad news, and good news, and I think more bad news. The good news is Lando Norris got second place in the Singapore Grand Prix this morning, so to celebrate, we're gonna be wearing our McLaren shirt. The bad news is I couldn't find my favorite McLaren jacket, so we'll make do with this Gulf livery shirt instead, which I love the Gulf livery. Kind of hypocritical when you take into account the rest of what we're doing today, but more on that later. The other news is that Tesla has a little bit of a surprise for us, and so we're going to go and check it out. Bad news is I skipped breakfast, I'm kind of hungry. And perhaps the best news is Tesseract just came out with their new album, and it is the album of the year. So we'll listen out on the way there. Can't play it because I'd get copyright strike, but check it out. The really bad news is I left my audio equipment at TSA in the Vienna airport, so we're gonna have to make do with some bad audio today. I'm sorry, I'll have it fixed for the next video. The direct steering on this is an absolute blast. Surprise is over there. I expect a good amount of other Tesla drivers to be here, so maybe we can sneak in under the radar without anyone realizing we have a Tesla Roadster. I doubt it, but let's see. The last time I was here, I did see this once before. Somebody gave me this little toy Roadster with Starman in it. Cheers to them. Let's roll on through and see what's going on here. We got photo shoots going on. I'll show you why in a second. Hey, one of these things is not like the others. So what he's taking right now is a very special spot, and I'll show you why. That's what we're here to see. One of those chargers is not like the others. Let's go ahead and grab one of these spots. We're here to see the 50,000th Tesla Supercharger, and it comes in this unique red color so that you know. The downside, as you probably know from my other videos, is that the Tesla Roadster can't use the Supercharger, so I'm actually just kind of taking up a space, but it looks really cool next to the charger. The guy next to us is nice enough to move to give us the VIP spot for some photos here, because everyone wants to take photos of the car. You can see one of these things is not like the others. We have a Rivian posted up, and I am actually particularly interested in what's going on with this Model X. We've got a Jackery on the inside, which are actually pretty expensive, but really nice and durable batteries. You could partner those up with solar panels if you'd like. They got some speakers going on in the trunk, setting the mood. And I think this is a really, really cool wrap. This rainbow chrome, if you want to call it, Model 3. The way it shines in the sun is just, I don't know if it's coming through the same way on camera, but I love this thing in person. And of course, we got a little bit of the crowd around the Roadster. And of course, no meet is complete without the drone overhead. That thing must be getting money shots right now. We'll do the quick tour here. So apparently this is quite similar to a Tesla in a lot of ways. I've been in it once, but I've never got a good chance to do a proper review. Two screens over here. Screen's very similar. Love that new car smell inside. Glass headliner all the way to the back. I mean, it definitely looks nice. It feels nice. It smells great. I didn't know they still made vehicles with full-size spares. So we got storage on storage here. Full-size spare, which is really rare even on an internal combustion engine these days. These cubbies on the side are really, really cool. Can't see too well. Oh, there you go. Goes all the way through, and you can open the other side and crawl through it if you really wanted to. I don't know if all of you would fit, but I'm positive I would. And the front storage is actually pretty reasonable. The depth is proper nice too. This is definitely a lot bigger than a Tesla's front. These tires look absolutely beefy. They're just the 20-inch rims, but 275/65. What are your thoughts on these wheels? And should I get something like this for the Model Y? Let me know. Back ones look fatty. Look at the girth on that. And the diffuser in the carbon fiber looks absolutely fantastic here. The side skirt going all the way, and that splitter that's been through some stuff and seen some stuff. Love the carbon fiber accents on this Y. Got carbon fiber accents everywhere. Nice splitter in the front too, which actually looks really, really nice on this car in my opinion. Got a side skirt going through all the way. Talk about aero, look at that. Anything in the back? Yes. Oh, we got the rain light over here. This is Formula 1 style. Look at that, the rear diffuser on this looks fantastic. I absolutely love this. More carbon fiber, louvers. What are your thoughts on louvers and Teslas in general? I'm kind of mixed on the look as a whole, but on Teslas, I don't know if it's my favorite. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'm wrong. Carbon fiber on carbon fiber. And then lastly, the interior, which is really well tinted, so you can't see too much, but you can see it's an aftermarket steering wheel as well. So the reason it's a bit ironic that I'm wearing this McLaren Gulf livery shirt is that Gulf, although they make the coolest color livery, is actually an oil company, and we're here to celebrate the 50,000th Tesla Supercharger, which is the opposite of an oil company. Today's event was really good. I'd like to shout out Sacramento Tesla Owners Club. awesome event. I'll make sure to come for more of these in the future. Everyone was really, really cool. The Tesla community is just absolutely awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna get out now because my car can't actually charge in the charger, so I'm just kind of occupying a spot for nothing. Thanks for everyone who came out, everyone who followed me, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait, pause, we're not done yet because something just showed up and I want to show you this. We got this awesome gift, and I'll tell you what it is and who sent it. You remember that cool custom Model X we saw at the beginning of the video that had all the nice lights and speakers on it? Well, I talked to the owner, a really nice guy named Tony, and it turns out he's the creator of this product, which is the Quick Bandit, and I'll show you why this is so special for Tesla owners. Now, this is not a sponsorship, this is not an endorsement. He sent this with no strings attached just because he's a nice guy. We had a nice conversation. It turns out there's a lot of cheaper made in China products that use his patent to sell this on Amazon, but this is the real deal, and I'll show you why it's a big deal for Tesla owners. One thing Tesla owners suck at doing is putting a front license plate on the car, and it's obvious why. There's no place to really hook it on without drilling a hole or using the tow hitch or maybe using some kind of adhesive in the front. But with the Quick Bandit, you can manually install and uninstall your license plate frame in just seconds, and it clips onto the grill right here at the bottom of the Tesla. This is really convenient if you're going to be driving through a state or even a city that's particularly known for coming after you for not having those front license plates, and then it's easy to take it off afterwards if you want. Like I said, this is not a paid sponsorship, this is not an endorsement of any kind, but it kind of rubbed me the wrong way to find out that a lot of people are stealing his idea and making money off it. So if you've got a Tesla and you don't have a front license plate and you're in the market, I'll post a link to the Quick Bandit website below where you can get the original high quality license plate frame yourself and support a local businessman who came up with a truly great product for us. Tony, thanks again, man. It was really nice to meet you and I really appreciate the gift. Now we're done. Okay, thanks, bye.